Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Last period we have done the topic small and big, and now we will go with the topic 2, that is of behind and in front of. Okay, behind and in front of. Now first of all I will tell you the meaning, what is behind and what is in front of. Behind means back side of something. Behind means back side of something. Back side means पीछे. Back side means पीछे. Next, in front of means ahead of something. In front of means ahead of something. Ahead means what? आगे. जो भी चीज़ आगे है उसे ahead बोलते हैं. So in front of means what? Ahead of something. किसी भी चीज़ के आगे, किसी के चीज़ के पीछे. Behind. Okay? Behind, पीछे, आगे, in front of. Okay, now I will make it more clear for you by showing some examples by drawing the pictures on the blackboard. Okay, now this is the ball and this is the cube. Okay, ball is behind the cube. Ball is behind the cube and cube is in front of ball. Cube is in front of ball. Now here the position of the ball and the cube is placed at its place. Okay, ball and cube. What is the position? Position मतलब उस जगह पे रखा है उनको. Ball and cube. So ball is behind the cube and cube is in front of the ball. Okay. Now in the second picture, cloud is there and sun is there. Okay, sun is hiding behind the clouds. Sun is hiding behind the clouds. So we can say that sun is behind the clouds. These are clouds and this is sun. So sun is hiding behind the clouds and clouds are in front of the sun. Clouds are in front of the sun. Okay children, now by showing these examples I have explained you position means what. Position मतलब उस जगह पे रखा है. The object is kept in that place. Okay, you have to just see the place of the object and you have to tell what is behind and what is in front of. Okay, now I will tell you the explanation by showing you the further examples of objects for you. Now here I have placed some objects. These are bananas and this is a coconut. Bananas, coconut. First your bananas are there and your coconut is there. Now I will tell you which thing is in front and which thing is behind. Coconut is placed behind the bananas. Coconut is placed behind the bananas and bananas are placed in front of coconut. Bananas are placed in front of coconut. Okay, now second example, that is of cup and bowl. Cup and bowl. Cup is placed in front of the bowl. Cup is placed in front of the bowl and bowl is placed behind the cup. Bowl is placed behind the cup. So here also it is clear that which object is behind and which object is in front. Okay, fine. Now here two pens are there, red pen and green pen. Red pen and green pen. Now by seeing the colors of the pen you have to tell which pen is in front and which pen is behind. Okay, now green and red pen. Which pen is in front? Red pen is in front of the green pen and green pen is behind the red pen. Okay children, now other example of pens, other color pens I have kept for you, blue and black. Okay, blue and black. Now here also same thing. Blue pen is kept in front of the black pen and black pen is kept in front of the behind the blue pen. Understood children? Now here two balls are there, green color ball and yellow color ball. green color ball and yellow color, but the position is one after each other. See, first green is there and yellow is there, so we can say that green ball is in front of the yellow ball and yellow ball is behind the green ball. Understood, children? Green ball is in front of the yellow ball and yellow ball is behind the green ball. Fine. Okay. Now your colorful flowers are there. Okay. Pink flower, yellow flower, red flower, orange flower. But first position flower is pink, second is yellow, third is red, fourth is orange. Okay. One after each other flowers are kept. Okay. Now a pink color flower is in front of the yellow flower. Yellow color flower is front of the red flower. Okay. Red color flower is in front of the orange color flower. Understood? Okay. Now we will go to the behind. Okay. Now orange color flower is behind the red color flower. Red color flower is behind the yellow color flower. Yellow color flower is behind the pink color flower. Understood, children? Yes, I hope you have seen these beautiful colors of the flowers. Okay. Yeah. Now here two mirrors are there, children. First, big mirror and small mirror. Two mirrors are placed one after each other. Big mirror and small mirror. Now big mirror is behind the small mirror. Big mirror is behind the small mirror and small mirror is in front of the big mirror. Okay. Small mirror is in front of the big mirror. Okay. I hope you all have understood by these examples. Live examples I have shown you. Okay. Yes, children, go through all these examples and I hope you all have understood it better. Okay. Just see the position of the objects and you have to clear it out, what is behind and what is in front. Okay. Fine. Now just see the meaning on the blackboard which is written. If you want to copy it down, you can copy it down. Okay. Now we will go to the examples which are there in the books. Okay. Means there are different pictures I have selected for you to show for you for better knowledge of behind and in front of. Okay. Now let's go to the pictures here. Children, now this is the picture of two boys are there and they are playing cricket. What they are playing? Cricket. Okay. Now behind this ball, behind this boy, he is batting. Okay, he is batting and behind him what is there? Stumps are there. Understood? So stumps are behind the boy. Stumps are behind the boy and boy is in front of this stumps. Okay. In this picture you can just say that stumps are behind the boy and boy is in front of the stumps. Okay. Now see this girl. Now see this girl. Okay. This girl is behind the cake. Behind the cake. And she is blowing the candles there. Okay. And in front of her cake is there. In front of her cake is there. Understood? Followed? Now there are few other examples of animals here. Okay. Now you can see some animals, they are sitting on the branch, but there are birds also. Now this is a bird, squirrel and monkey. Okay. Now they are sitting in line. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now bird is sitting in front of the squirrel. Okay. Bird is sitting in front of the squirrel. Squirrel is sitting in front of the monkey. Squirrel is sitting in front of the monkey. Now behind position we will see squirrel is sitting behind the bird. Squirrel is sitting behind the bird. Monkey is sitting behind the squirrel. Understood, children? Yes. Now you can see the picture of this. This is the ant hill. Ant hill, you know, this is the house of the ant. Okay, and your ant is there, small ant is there. Okay, ant is standing in front of the ant hill. Okay, and ant hill is there behind the ant. Fine. No. Okay, children, now I will show you some other examples here. See, these are wild animals, okay, in the forest, and they are sitting. Some animals are standing also. Now here you have to just see the picture of this, and you have to tell which animals are in front and which animals are behind. Now see here, lion is there. Lion is in front of what? Yes, elephant. Lion is in front of elephant. Even the tiger is there in front of elephant. Okay, now this is the zebra. This is the zebra. Which animal is there in front of zebra? Tiger. And which animal is there behind the tiger? Zebra. Here we can say that which animal is there behind the lion? Elephant. Okay, fine, children. Yeah. Now one more example I will tell you about that. So here you have to revise the full concept of behind and in front. This is the big picture for you. Big picture for you. You have to observe what all things are there in this picture. Okay. Now this is the coconut tree, apple tree, penguin. Okay. This boy is riding the bicycle. Huh? These boys are playing on the seesaw. Tortoise is there. Frog is there. Squirrel is there. Dog is there. Okay. Now these are the things. Now you observe this picture and just tell which picture objects are front and behind. Now let's go to the coconut tree. Coconut tree is behind the apple tree. You can see coconut tree is behind the apple tree, and apple tree is in front of the coconut tree. Okay, now just see the apple tree and the penguin. Yeah, penguin is standing in front of the apple tree. Okay, penguin is standing in front of the apple tree, and behind the penguin apple tree is there. Huh? Like this you can see down also frog and tortoise. Frog and tortoise. Here behind the frog tortoise is there, and in front of the tortoise frog is there. Okay, now here squirrel and the dog. Dog is chasing the squirrel. Chasing means what? हाँ, वो उसके पीछे भाग रहा है. Okay, पकड़ने के लिए. So squirrel is running forward, and behind the squirrel dog is there. So who is behind the squirrel? Dog. And in front of who is there? Squirrel is there. Understood, children? Followed? Okay. Now see here one